I am reviewing my son's queen size headboard only by MAHANCRIS, something like that. It does have color changing LED lights. The video is making it look a little weirder than it really is. It's nice, smooth LED light strip that you just apply. It sticks on, self-adhesive. Let me turn off the lights though so that we can focus on what's actually going on here. You have on either side 2 USB and a grounded plug on this side and on that side. I plugged the USB strip into one of the, or the LED strip into one of the USB charging ports, just to make it easier. It does have my hand for reference, probably about, not quite 5, sorry, cat hair, 5 inches of space right here. Would fit a water bottle, would fit an Xbox controller perfectly. And there is no storage in the back, but each of these up here, each of those plugs do need to be plugged in individually to the wall. Pretty sturdy design, but it did take a minute for me to put together. I'd say probably about an hour and 15 minutes by myself. The instructions were good. It wasn't hard to put together, it was just cumbersome to put together. Cat for scale. It does come with a remote control to control the lights as well.
This is the top of the board where it bulged. Here's another place where it popped through. There it popped through. There it bulged. And down here there's divots where the bolts are just about to come through. And I was very careful to keep the items separated in their bags with the right size bolts and to compare the bolts with the frame in the picture of the size and everything, so I don't believe it was a bolt issue. They just did not screw in square and straight the way they should, and they just, more you torqued them to get it to not jiggle, the worse it got.